Let's make glow effect. Select a subject and press Ctrl+J for making new layer. Apply color lock of candle light on background. Apply exposure with -7 value on background. Clip both layers with background. Now apply curves on main object and clip with it. Apply exposure with -3 value and clip with object. Make a group of girl and background. Bring an image of butterfly and convert to smart object. Apply hue and saturation on butterfly and clip with it. Make copy of butterfly and put blend mood to linear dodge. Make another copy of butterfly and apply blur effect. Make another copy of butterfly and apply blur effect again. Take new layer and brush with big size and put blend mood to soft light. Click on girl exposure layer and brush on mask side with black color. Take new layer and brush with light dot yellow and put blend mood to overlay. Take new layer and brush with light dot yellow and put blend mood to color bomb. Make a copy of butterfly group and adjust it. Make another copy of butterfly group and adjust it. Apply color lock of warm crisp with low opacity. Bring a particle image, put blend mood dot to screen and apply mask with black color. Brush with white color on mask side. Make opacity low of particles image, and it's done. Thank you for watching.